Hey everybody, so this is just going to be a quick video of the storm going on outside, so I'll see you there. It says we're supposed to get a storm up to 40 to 70 miles an hour. Oh, looks like it knocked the dumpsters down already. Feels like it's only like 15 or 20 right now, miles an hour. Tree sure does have an S curve in it. Curves two different directions. One, two. Curves three different directions. One, two. Here it curves back this way. Three. Hopefully we'll get rain. It's my scrap pile. It says it's supposed to be a thunderstorm, and I hear the last hour or so I've heard constant thunder. So bring you back if I hear any thunder or anything. So I have a feeling the storm bypassed us because got 5 seconds max worth of sprinkles, and then the wind kind of slowed down. You can see the wind slow down and everything, and I saw lightning bolts behind my house when I was driving back from dropping my wife off at work, but I haven't heard any thunder or anything since, so I'm thinking that the storm just breezed right past Florence. Florence is like that for whatever reason. Florence, Arizona, it's like the Transformers, you know, the little force field or that they have in, I think, the first movie when they're destroying the airport. That big, huge force field that they see when they're recording. Hiding behind the tank. Yeah, that's kind of like Florence. You know, there could be the news and, you know, all the weather apps in the world can turn around and say, you know, you have, you know, 80 to 100% chance of rain, and Florence will never get the rain. And the funny thing around here is that I've been calculating this stuff for the last, I don't know, 10 or so years, and I've noticed Florence always gets rain when the weather states, the weather apps and the news says that Florence will get 30% chance of rain. It always pours. Anything above 50%, it does not rain here, which is funny because you'd think if the forecast says 100% chance of rain in Pinal County and Florence, Arizona, you would think it would rain, but it doesn't. For whatever reason, out of the 10 years I've been looking at this information, trying to make sure, you know, that to be more accurate, when it says 100% or 90 or 80 or 85 or 95 or, you know, 75 or 70, 71 and a half, it doesn't matter. If the percentage is above 31%, it will not rain here. If it's at 30% exactly chance of rain, it will pour like cats and dogs. But according to the weather, it stated it was going to be like 70% chance of rain, so that's probably why it bypassed us. So if there is any other, you know, storm that comes in or rolls in, or it starts pouring, or lightning or thunder happens, I'll bring you guys back. Hey everybody, so I'm just looks like the storm passed over us. I'm just gonna finish the video off. Just a little tiny breeze, so thank you guys for watching. You know, I was hoping that it would rain. I'd get to be able to get that on video, but the rain's just not gonna happen. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and thank you guys for watching. And I'll just walk around for a few minutes, or a minute or so. But yeah, you can see the you probably can't see, the street light just came on for that corner of the block, so, but you can tell that the clouds are kind of pushing out, because if I walk over here, you can actually see the sun bouncing off the clouds. See, so looks like the storm passed. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.